Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Market Update, where we highlight trading opportunities out there. Remember, the whole purpose of these updates are to benefit you and to increase your ability to see setups in the market and also to identify opportunities that could be of value to you. Now, yesterday we spoke about the fact that the Canadian dollar was entering a channel. And let me just draw the channel lines here. As you can see, this is roughly the boundaries of the channel. Now, what has happened coming into today is that the market, this is a 15-minute chart of the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and we can see that the market came down into the area of support and bounced up. The low that was made was just below 124, and now the market is at 125.20. So that would have been a very good trading opportunity. And yesterday we did identify the fact that if the market does come down to this 124 level, we could see a significant bounce, and we could have a potential trading opportunity in the Canadian dollar. Okay, looking at the continuation of this move, it's very positive that the market was able to close above this previous high of 125.21, and that signifies that there could be some underlying strength in this move going forward. If you are trading the longer term time frames as a swing trade, your initial target or the area we are looking for this market to breach is that 128 level, which is the upper portion of this triangle, as you can see here. Okay. Support, I mean, the market could turn around, but support is currently at 123.84 and down to maybe about 123.57 up to 123.84 is support in this market. Okay, so that's the USD Canadian dollar. Taking a look at the Euro USD, the market has broken down even further than we spoke about yesterday. We said that the market could have found support at this broken trend line, but the market didn't bounce as you would want to see when a trend line is broken, but the market continued down, and it looks like it is heading to test these lows near the 107 level. So that's what we're looking for in the euro, to see if the market is able to go down to the 107 and breach the 107 area. Medium term support is currently at this 108 to 107.80. As you see, the market is bouncing off of this level as of this recording here. But ultimately, I'm looking for the market to head into this 107 area of support. So that's something to look out for on the euro. And remember, when we are in a downtrend like this, you'll find that it's better to remain on the short side of the market as opposed to looking for reversals, because when you have a strong downtrend, you will get a lot of false reversals in a scenario like this. So that's something to keep in mind for the euro and for the markets in general. What's happening in the Japanese yen? Yesterday we highlighted the fact that we are in a triangle. Let me just go to the daily charts first and draw the boundaries of the triangle consolidation. There. So we're in a triangular consolidation with the Japanese yen, and the market did close slightly above this 120.40 swing high here, but really collapsed ever since. And we spoke about this area yesterday, that it could act as medium-term resistance. Moving on the 4-hour chart, we see that this area is forming an area of resistance. Now, if you take a broader look at the 4-hour chart, you see that this could be interpreted as a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. So it could be, we could be forming, for the bearish argument, a head and shoulders top here for the Japanese yen. Remember, with head and shoulders tops, the first thing you need to see is the market break out of this triangle and head below these lows at the 118.50. That will then signify the market has broken the neckline. So a head and shoulders top only occurs once it's confirmed. But for now, we will remain on the bullish side of the market because the momentum in this market is still up. But I'm just pointing out the fact that there is that head and shoulders possibility, and it's something that you can keep in mind. Looking at the British pound, we see that the market, the British pound is up on the day. Looking at the Canadian dollar, you see the Canadian dollar is down on the day. This USD Canadian dollar. The euro on the day is slightly down so far, but the British pound is up and the Australian dollar is up. Looking at the British pound, we see that this area of support continues to hold very well. And looking at the monthly chart, we see that this 148 area, let's go back down to the weekly chart. This area here has been support or has acted as support in the past, and we're flirting with this area again around this 148 level, and the market is currently holding, which is a good sign for the British pound, for you British pound bulls out there. And that's why the British pound is strong today against most of the majors, because it is holding its own and it's holding its support area. Taking a look at another market of interest, the British pound, Japanese yen, we see that the market came down to support near this 176 level and is bouncing. We will see if the market can muster the energy to get up to this area of resistance in the 185 level. And if it cannot, we could see this 176 low being threatened and the market trade below this area. So that's something to look out for in the British pound, Japanese yen. And remember, folks, the crosses do offer some very good opportunities and trading opportunities. For example, let's take a look at the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. This is in a definite uptrend, as you can see here. The market is in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. And one of my trading philosophies is that when a market is in an uptrend like this, you should be looking for buying opportunities as opposed to selling opportunities. Too often I speak to traders that are looking to fight against the main trend. They are looking to fight against the tide. For any of you who have gone swimming in the ocean, you know that when a current hits you, it's very difficult to swim against that current, and traders like to swim against the tide of the market and call reversal or look for reversals in uptrends. You'll have, I'm not saying it's impossible to find them, but you'll have more success swimming with the tide, following the uptrend, buying the dips or buying the breaks in the uptrend, as opposed to looking for reversal situations. Okay, so the markets are offering some profit opportunities, and we have some very nice trends happening. And as I always say, if you pay attention to the markets and you keep an eye out on what's happening, you will find these profitable opportunities. If you'd like to have the signals, these trading signals, sent to your trading account, and you may not have the time to trade it yourself now, you can click below this video to see how you can get that done. Okay, so this is Beyond again. I hope you enjoyed the briefing and have a wonderful trading day. Thank you.